Welcome to another video with Miss T Ideas. This here is, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Miss T Ideas, where I come up with ideas. I do a junk journal, recycle, upcycle, arts and craft, mixed media. Welcome to my channel. And if you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. All right, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing. Let me put this to the side. I've been working on this journal right here. The jacket of it, it's been made. I had made it a long time ago for something else. And the inside, I'm making this a trash journal, where you save your trash, your packages, and this and that, and this, and you make a trash journal. A journal you don't have to think about it. It's your personal journal that you can play in. I found this from another YouTuber. My Wings as Eagles. Her channel is My Wings as Eagles. Very soft spoken lady. I mean, that I like her work. I like her videos. Well, she's making a trash journal that you can just get in here and play like a kid. Just play in this with your trash that you've saved for this. I didn't save much, but I seen her, and I had to find my trash, y'all. I had to find me some trash, because I mean, I was very interested, and I was interested in the concept. Okay, I'm gonna stop all this talking, and people that have been rocking with me, thank you for being here. Thank you so very, very much. I'm on my way to 600. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm out, get me out there. And subscribe to me if you choose to. I appreciate y'all so much. Let's get into it. Okay. Like I said, this here jacket, I made it a long time ago for something else. I didn't really like it. And I made these little hanging things to put charm, jewel stuff on them. I didn't really like it. I don't know what I didn't like, but I didn't like it. Yeah. So I'm using it here on this trash junk journal. And let me open it up. The size, I think it's 12 by, probably 12 by 12. I didn't really measure it, but it looks like it's 12. Ooh. It's bigger than a 12, y'all. But I still have to cut it down. Okay, so I can't really tell you what size it's gonna be, but I mean it's gonna be close to 12. So what I did was I didn't hook. This is just the beginning of this journal, okay? So I'm just showing what I've done so far, and I'm gonna have a series, and I'm gonna come back on the next video and show you another progress of it, okay? A process of it. I had some swatches, a fabric stuck together that I was going to make something out of, and I cut it to make the inside of this. Now, it don't match this here at all, but that's fine. This is a trash journal. I haven't trimmed it. I'm going to have to trim this. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut this out. But I'm going to have to leave a little bit of it reachable for I could attach it back, because I don't want to lose the ties. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some bias tape, seam binding, around here to get rid of these raw edges. Right now this is just sewed to it, okay? This here, I started on last night. So this is brand new. This is raw. This is yeah. And I know this don't match, but I'm good with that. This is a trash journal. I'll probably cut this and shred this up too before it's over. I'm gonna put some pockets on it. I want it to look homely. Okay. When you say trash journal, I want it to look like some trash, but comfortable, you know? Okay, this is some of the things that I have for it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm setting it up. I recently found this. This is a mixed media I did on a bag, on a store bag, and I think this was gonna either be a page or this was gonna be used as outside of a journal. So I just set this in here like this. I My plans are to use this Amazon Prime bag as my jacket. That's my plans. But then I found this, and I'm not gonna use this because I want to save the. If I use this, I will lose my mixed media in it. See, and I don't want to do that. And I guess I could, and it'll be on the inside. That might be a thought. This is not a page here. Okay, so I'm still in the thinking process. Let me leave this like this. All right. This here is some of the stuff that I collected to put in it. Okay. And I don't have a lot of good stuff yet. She's got Snicker bags and all kind of stuff. And like I said, last night was my first time putting this together. What I got together. Okay. I did glue this though. I glued that fabric there. She made signatures. Like, say like this would be one signature. This is a big signature though, but this would be one signature. And she sewed it up the back like we usually do. But that's all I had was this. So I chose to go straight down the middle with the sewing machine. First I thought it was gonna be too thick, but it went and I went with it. Okay. This is supposed to be a no-brainer project, and you just doing it however you want to do it. This is a trash journal. So I had a piece of bag. You know, I recycle bags, grocery bags and stuff. Actually, I also collect bags that I don't have in my city. Like, I have a Trader Joe bag. I don't have no Trader Joe here, but friends, you know, YouTube friends and, you know, subscribers, they sent it to me. And group. So this bag here, of course, you know, this local, this Kroger's. I sewed around it, and by this being a trash journal, you know, everything needs to be raggedy, so I can do whatever I want to do. So, you know, we like to leave little pieces of string hanging. That's something that junk journals do sometimes. So, anyway, I sewed. This is a piece of material. This material here, I've been having it too. But I was just scrounging y'all for trashy stuff. You know, stuff that should be thrown away. This was on a canvas from the Dollar Tree. On both sides, because I sewed it down the middle. So you can choose to sew yours down the middle if you want to. If you got one of them long arm staples, you can staple it. But I'm just making this one big signature here. Because I didn't have a whole lot to work with. And trash wise, so I made my signatures. Sewed them up. This is my bag, my Amazon bag. I like those. And I just sewed some raggedy little stitches on there. Left some hang time. Yeah, that's that. All this gonna be covered with trash, okay? The signatures will be covered with the trash. That's how it works. Okay. There's the signature. And I noticed, you know, some things didn't come out as straight as I wanted to. This is a trash journal. You gotta keep reminding yourself. Even in junk journaling, you when you junk journaling, you gotta remind yourself, what are you doing here? Am I making something that I possibly could sell, or if I'm making something just to have fun and regroup and mindlessly, because we like paper and we like to cut and paste. So play in. So this is a play in, so it really don't matter. I don't like for this to be crooked now, but I'm not taking this loose, baby. This bag opens up too. I can save something in there if I want to. This here is an old calendar. I sold this around. My sewing machine was getting tired because it started raveling up the thread. But since it's a trash journal, I'm not gonna sew it either. I fixed it since. And this is a Amazon bubble bag. I like to pop the bubbles. Let me see if I pop one. Okay, pop one. I guess they all popped. I don't know. But anyway, this is open too. And like I said, I recently ran into this. I might use it and I might not. And this here is my cover. And the object of the thing is, let's see. Like this here, along with trash, I'm still trying to add some color. I'm gonna glue this down here or staple it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna either glue it or staple it. Where's my other stuff at? Okay. Show you some of the stuff I have. Okay, where's my trash? Is it here? Okay. I got it right here. Some of the stuff. And some of this. Some of this. Let's see. Some of this. 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 Is that it? No. This. Okay. All right. I think this is. No, I got a few more things. Okay. Okay. And this. And this. I went through my cabinets and I got some stuff together real quick last night. This is a plastic. This came in like a picture folder. And you know we like to make pockets. I'm gonna put this in here somewhere. It's a piece of that calendar. This is some canvas off of something else. This is some pieces that I can put flip pages on. You know, you take it and you put it like this. You be able to turn the page, and I'm gonna sew it down like that. I had this off of a collage from a long time ago. I like birds, and what do you call it? Botanical? I like birds. I like birds. And this here was a guide to my binder. I made a binder, and this is the whole. So this is the template I made off of a card. I got a quick scripture quote here. Is this the scripture or? Yeah. Pour your heart out like water in prayer to the Lord. And I'm going to stick this in here somewhere. So be truly glad, there is wonderful joy ahead. 1 Peter 1:6. I found this right here. I was just looking. You know, when you paper craft, you don't have to look far for junk. Okay. But I needed trash. Now, this is a bag that I made. And I'm going to put that in here. I like that bag. Some things are trashier than the trashiest. Okay, we got levels of trash here. I cut up a saltine cracker box. Because along with the trash, you want it a little colorful too. I have some paper, some pattern paper. I'm going to tear that and I'm going to put this in some kind of way. I don't know how yet, but that's the joy of playing with the craft. Not obligated to nothing, but playing with the craft and bringing out some content with it. This came off a bag. Feel the fit. Let's see, what kind of bag this is. Let's see it. This is a Torrid bag. I just cut the trim off of here, and I'm gonna do something with this tie. Probably sew it up some kind of way. This came out of a magazine. A lot of these things is things that I've done, messed with a long time ago. I cut this magazine jacket. I can't. This is the cover. I just cut this off of it because it said art culture. You know, it's kind of what we do. I got cookies, a cookie box. Yeah, I located all this stuff last night. I recently, before I started this video, I keep baby wipes on the side of me for glue, wiping up glue and this and that. And so I'm done with that, so I'm going to use it. I got a coffee. This little bag right here is so cute. I got this, I guess I got this with something. Oh, I like to wear them lace gloves every now and then. Them lace gloves, this came in here. I think it might have came from Shein or somewhere. Okay, I showed y'all the book jacket. Through that book, let's see. McDonald's paraphernalia from my granddaughter, leaving her stuff at my house. And what is this? This is a collage piece. So I'll be continuously gluing other stuff on top of this stuff that you see. So y'all gonna have to join me on the next video when I start putting it together, okay? I did cut the Dr. Pepper box. I cut the strawberry and cream off of the Dr. Pepper box. So I have the Ziploc. I have Werther's Original. You know what I've been doing, huh? You know what I've been doing. Gingerbread soft caramel. That was good. That was good. And I'm gonna collage in this junk, this trash journal. This is all about the trash, all about the throwaways. So there you have it. Let me put this down. This is the trash. This is the trash. Let me put something on top because I don't want that Torrid name to be just all out there like that. This is the trash. This is some piano paper, and this don't go in here. So that's where I'm at. Miss T Ideas. I'm building a trash journal, and I'm showing you what I'm working with. I'm showing you my jacket. I'm gonna have to finish this off. It's my ties. And this is it. So this is my first time showing it and showing you what I'm doing. The next time I'm gonna be gluing this stuff in here. I appreciate y'all so much. I appreciate y'all watching. And please join me on my next video where we're gonna do something else. Thank y'all so much. Miss T Ideas. Bye.